let's talk about cilantro or coriander, as it's also known. So here in the US, we call the plant and the leaves cilantro. In the UK and Europe, other places, they call the whole thing coriander. In the US, we call the seeds coriander, and the ground seeds, which is the spice, we call that coriander also. So this was one of my many stalks that had bolted. Now, if you harvest your cilantro regularly, like cut it, it's like cut and come again. You can cut it down and it'll grow more, then you're good. But if you don't pay attention to it, or it gets too hot or adverse conditions, it will do something called bolt, which is it'll grow very tall. The leaves will become bitter to the taste, so you don't want to have it, and it'll have white flowers on it. I let mine do that. Well, actually, I was sick, so I didn't harvest any of it. So once I saw it started to bolt, I figured I'm not going to waste it. I'm going to let it flower. I'm going to let it go to seed. After the white flowers disappear, the balls are little green ones, and you have to wait until they turn brown, and then you can harvest them. So I harvested a bunch. I'm throwing that stalk down there because it'll just compost in place and it'll enrich the soil where my hydrangeas are. And I put some of the seeds into my green stalk vertical planters that you just saw a second ago. So on that paper towel is all of the seeds I got. I'm going to sort of pick out the nasty bits in there. And this is what I have left in this little dish. And then I'm going to pour it into this really cute jelly jar. I save these and I reuse them. And this is just from one plant. So I encourage you, if you see your cilantro bolting, let it do its thing and harvest each seed as one potential plant.